Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech Helpline. In our channel, we show you how to use various applications and services throughout the internet. And in today's video, I will show you how to add songs to Spotify. So make sure to follow through the entire video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel Tech Helpline and ring the notification bell for more useful uploads. So let's get started. Open the web browser on a device and search for YouTube to MP3. Here, open the first link. This site helps you download MP3 files from YouTube, but make sure that the music is not copyrighted. So go to YouTube in a different tab and search for the suitable music. Once you know what music to download, copy the link and paste it in the converter. Tap Search. The video will be shown, so under MP3, tap Convert. Once the conversion is complete, tap Download. Now open Spotify on a device and log in. You will not be able to see the downloaded music just yet, so tap your username at the top and tap Settings. Scroll down and under Local Files, toggle on Show Local Files. Once you do that, tap Your Library on the left. You can now see the Local Files folder, so tap on it. The downloaded MP3 will be shown here. Tap the three dots at the right and you can add the music to your playlists. So that's how you add songs to Spotify. If the video was helpful, please leave a like and mention your feedback in the comment section below. Thank you for watching and we will see you in the next one.